to the machining process, mastering the art of precision manufacturing. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the machining process, covering the key steps involved in creating intricate and accurate components. Let's dive in. The machining process is an essential part of precision manufacturing, where raw materials are transformed into finished products with tight tolerances. It involves the use of various tools and techniques to shape and refine workpieces. First, we have the cutting phase, where a cutting tool removes excess material from the workpiece. This can be achieved through milling, turning, drilling, or grinding, depending on the desired outcome. During cutting, the workpiece is securely clamped to ensure stability and accuracy. Machinists meticulously adjust the cutting speeds, feeds, and depths to achieve the desired results. Next, we have the shaping phase, where the workpiece is given its final form. This typically involves precision cutting and grinding to create intricate features and surfaces. To ensure the utmost accuracy, machinists utilize measuring instruments such as calipers and micrometers. These tools allow for precise measurements, guaranteeing that the manufactured components adhere to the specified dimensions. Additionally, the machining process often involves secondary operations like deboring, polishing, or heat treatment. These additional steps enhance the final product, ensuring its quality and functionality. Throughout the entire machining process, machinists rely on their expertise, knowledge, and attention to detail. They possess a keen understanding of tool capabilities and material properties, enabling them to achieve flawless results. In conclusion, the manufacturing world relies heavily on the machining process to create high-quality, precise components. From cutting to shaping and final touches, machinists master the art of precision manufacturing. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this overview of the machining process insightful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.